Hello, so today we will make Santa Claus, and then for Santa Claus you need a big piece of white paper, and then at the back is red color paper. So you just glue it together, and then later you go and draw a line of 10 cm, and then draw a dot, and then from here you also draw a line of 10 cm. Then you draw a line, and then you draw another line. Next, then you cut it out with your scissors. And you get a piece of 10 cm paper. Next, you fold it into a triangle shape. It will come out a bit like this. You can just cut it. So just like so. Now you're done, open the piece of paper and fold it like this. Other side also. So it will now look a bit like a kite. And then the back also look a bit like a kite. Now when you're done, take the tip here and then fold it. Yeah. Then we turn it, then pull down here to look a bit like a boat. Next, pull down a bit. And then put in. And then when you're done, take marker pen, but if you don't have marker pen, then you can use color pencil. And then draw 2 dots. And then that. And then you fold it in again, and then got Santa Claus already. And if you got cotton, then you can stick the cotton here and wherever you want. That's all. Thank you.